here at Powertrain Products, we always give you the option of purchasing something called an install kit when you purchase any engine from us. So an install kit is going to be a kit full of your basic accessories and tune-up parts that you likely will need at the time of your engine install. We all know it's a bad idea to put an old water pump on a brand new engine. So this kit is tailored specifically to your VIN number. Everything will be specifically for your vehicle, and they will be delivered to the same location in a very convenient and fast way to make sure everything is ready for you. Generally speaking, your install kit is going to include water pump, your thermostat gasket, and your thermostat housing. We've got your hoses and your belts. We will also include hose clamps and a radiator cap. And then we've got spark plugs and plug wires. Of course, if your vehicle utilizes coil boots instead, we will be sending out the coil boots. And then we also include your air filter, your fuel filter, and your oil filter. I'm going to pop up a comprehensive list of everything that could potentially come in your install kit. It is important to note that not all vehicles utilize a distributor or a rotor or a mechanical fuel pump. So if you see the item on this list and know that you don't have one, don't worry. We're not going to send you anything that doesn't work for your vehicle. It simply will not be included in your kit. We do get asked a lot whether or not we include coil packs. Coil packs replaced distributors in the early 90s. And coil packs are one of those things that, yes, you might need to replace it during your engine install, but it's not something that's required or necessary every single time. So for that reason, we do not include coil packs in our kits. These install kits are going to ship separately than your engine. Our install kits are all put together in our corporate office, which is located in Stevensville, Maryland. So if your kit shows up and you don't have your engine yet, don't worry. We did not forget about your engine. We just strip it from a different location. We will provide separate tracking numbers for the kit and the engine. If you've ever got any questions about exactly what will be included in your kit, don't hesitate to give your sales rep a call. We can certainly help you out.